Welcome to all our viewers in the United States and around the world. Now, another great conversation about painting, about art, and of course, the one and only Annick Duvivier. Thank you so much for being here. Merci Ulakayu. How are you?
Thank you, James. I'm so happy to be here. So honored.
Wow. Before we start talking about your paintings, let's talk about you, how grateful you are to be an earthquake survivor.
Yeah.
The earthquake that struck Haiti in 2010. You were in Haiti and you experienced that firsthand.
Yeah. I was in the Montana Hotel in the new wing that they just had with the art gallery, and I was visiting, and I just had ice cream, and just half hour after, it was all flat. There was nothing left. So yeah, I'm very grateful to be here.
How that changed your life? Because I was watching your presentation earlier to, a lot of students here at Miami-Dade College North Campus, and you mentioned how that changed your perspective about nature, changed you in a way so you pay more attention to species. Tell us about that experience.
Well, after living through the earthquake, our family stayed in our garden. We stayed 2 weeks there, and we slept outside, and I was watching everything around me. There were trees, there were ants, there were spiders. All the bugs were moving in a weird way. They were frazzled. They were doing circles, like things I've never seen before. And I was observing. I was observing the shape of the leaves. There was nothing else to do. Yeah. You are in fear. You are just watching the sunlight changing, and you know the time because you're waiting. For what exactly, we don't know, because we've been there for a long time. So it was very difficult. And that experience, being present in nature, it grounded me. And because of that, a lot of my artwork is based on bringing awareness to nature, bringing awareness to the protection, to species, to nature.
Wow.
Yeah.
I know positivity lives inside of you. I'm seeing that out of a chaotic situation, you learn how to be patient and to observe more messages that are being vehiculated around us inside of the nature.
When we're busy with everyday life, we don't stop and see what's going on around us. So just that particular experience really shaped the way that I spend my time, and I take time to go on walks on nature, and that it can be just 10 minutes, but that helps me with my stress, that helps me with inspiration as an artist. It just helps my whole day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Annick, an earthquake survivor, but she doesn't let that bad experience stop her from going back to Haiti. Wait, you went back to Haiti, and that's where you found your niche as a painter.
I did. I went back. I stayed 6 months outside, and then I went back to Haiti, and I had my first solo show at Festival Arts with Dr. Mayali Steele. And
a mentor of yours as well.
My mentor, definitely. I learned so much from her, from the art business, which really shaped the artist that I am today, because I'm able to do all those behind-the-scene works that an artist is not taught in school.
Wow.
Yeah.
You did your first presentation, and I love the name, Energy, because you feel that that's how you can change the status quo, the mindset of millions of Haitians who were traumatized by the earthquake.
Definitely.
So tell us about that first presentation to the public of your work.
The first exhibition was a total success. So Mayali told me, bring 4 pieces every week. Because of the earthquake, there was spots open in October for the solo show. Normally, it takes a year to get a spot. And having that spot, I came in August, and she told me 4 new pieces every Monday. We're going to look at them together. You're going to fix this or that. So I brought my paint case at the gallery, and I started painting there. And I did not leave. I didn't leave. I stayed working with her for free at first because, I was just painting. I didn't think of anything
But
else.
this is where your heart belonged anyway, right? This is home to you.
It was an escape from everything because seeing my house damaged, seeing my family members traumatized, that's the word, traumatized, dealing with all the aftermath, it's hard, it's difficult. And for a creative to try to create in that state is, what are you going to create? Wow. There's no inspiration, there's nothing is coming through. And to find someone at that particular moment in your life to tell you, okay, just do this, do this, do this. A mentor that teaches you how to, maybe not how to focus, but how to canalize your energy. Yeah. And that's how we call the show Energy. So we said, that's what you did. You did it. It's like, you did it. Yeah. So the show was called, my first solo show was called Energy, and we sold out. Wow. And an article came out, and it said, Annick, une promesse de la peinture haïtienne, a promise of Haitian painting. So then I said, I have to live up to this. This is big.
and obviously you live up to that promise because exhibitions you mentioned, you've done so many around the world and your work been in so many places here in Miami and all the places as well. Tell us about how you think it's a huge responsibility, you as a promise, to carry on that promise, to show the world this is what Haiti is really about through painting.
First thing I always say, my name is Annick, I'm a Haitian painter. So Haiti is part of me. And I spent my childhood there. I had a beautiful childhood. I spent my teenage years there. I left Haiti, I was 18. So my heart was there. All my experiences was there. Having my work in museums, like the top 7 museums in the U.S., the Museum of Science and Industry. That was, I'm always shocked, but I'm not at the same time, because I said, you work for this. You work for this. Own it. You work for it. Yeah. And I've been working for this for a very long time. And the work that's done is behind the scene. It's not glamorous. Sometimes it's at night. The applications, the photographing the work, it's not just people on social media. They see the me smiling next to the work, yeah. But they don't know that I've been working on this for 3 weeks. That I've been working on this during the night, or that my husband had been cooking for the past 3 days because
poor husband, and somebody's chilling their painting, right?
Yeah, the behind the scenes is the most important work, and if that does not happen, nothing happens. Yeah. The glamorous does not happen.
Well, we all know that you are an inspiration to so many in the Haitian community and other community as well, and you keep doing that, keep on mentoring other folks in the Haitian community. You just mentioned inspiration. Let's talk about that. What really inspired you in some of the works? I know nature is your forte, but tell us about how inspirations come to you.
Well, it's different things that I feel. Like the piece that I did for the museum is called Strange Fruit. I did that piece in 2020 when there was all those movements and those troubles. So depending on what's going on around me, what's going on in Haiti, I have feelings, and I put that into my artwork. Or motherhood. When I had my daughter, there was a call for art of breastfeeding, and I said, well, let me do something about that. And I participated, and there was a contest. I won first prize. My art was on the cover of their catalog, and yeah, so depending on what's going on around me, depending on how I'm feeling, I select different shows to apply. I select different parts of me I want to express, I could say. Yeah. Because you can't express everything at the same time. So you always have to make a selection.
I am hearing an Annick that left Haiti, but Haiti is still living inside of you.
Definitely. My family's there, my heart is there. I mean, my parents live there, my brother, my grandmother. It's part of me. I can't take it out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you are currently constantly watching Haiti,
Yeah.
and we
Of
all know
course.
what's happening all the time in Haiti. What is the message of hope would you have for Haitians living in the diaspora,
Oof.
but also Haitians in Haiti?
Haitians and Haiti. For them, it's like they never left the quarantine in 2020. Because when I speak to my mom, it's like what I felt and lived in 2020 when we were all closed, everything is closed, that's how they're living. So it's extremely difficult for them. Message of hope, it's difficult for me to say because I don't know what to tell them because it's very hard, but at the same time, don't lose hope because I know there's a God. I know He can do something about it. So we'll see. For the Haitians in the diaspora, you have the power to help. If you can use it, that's amazing. And there are different ways to help. Sending money is always welcome, but help if you can go there, if you can go in a remote place, if you can, let's see, give your time.
Yeah. There are different ways to help,
Different
but
ways
at
to
least
help.
don't stay as an observer, but be part of the change that you want to happen. Annie, obviously you are here at Miami-Dade College, especially North Campus. We were seeing the joy expressing by so many students, listening to your stories and also seeing your artwork. Tell us about that experience when you go out, not inside of your living room, husband is cooking, but you out in the field doing what you really like and seeing the appreciation of students
Yeah.
firsthand.
I have to tell you, it was scary. I was on stage. I was like, okay, so I have to do this. But it was extremely rewarding hearing the questions. And especially there was this one kid and he told me that he looked at all the pieces and he was telling me about the texture of this. And like, okay, so you really took your time to look at the work. So it's really rewarding to see that they appreciate it. Yeah, and they're learning from it, and I hope they can apply some of the things that I told them about.
And these students are from different backgrounds,
Yeah.
not only Haitians, but you have from all ethnicities there to appreciate your work.
That's amazing. Yeah.
I'm not seeing an Annie shine anymore, like saying, yeah, I'm super shiny, but it's more like seeing how it is. And,
Yeah.
I think, I don't know if you want to echo with that, but I think Miami-Dade College has been doing a great job letting us expressing or letting others know more about the Haitian culture.
Yes, there's so many beautiful things in our culture. Having this university, Miami-Dade and Miami-Dade North Campus, to show that to the world, especially in those times where they are criticizing our culture. So having a place where different kids, different ethnicity, to see beautiful things from Haiti is very, very meaningful to me. Very special.
Why is it so special, if I should ask?
We don't eat dogs and cats. Things like that. To see art inspired by beauty, inspired by nature, to see things that are made from a human, right, with a heart, from a country that, yes, has problems, like a lot of countries, but we're still human. We're here. What are we going to do about us? We're shining.
Wow. My last question for Annie for sure is, please share with our viewers, what is it you are working on now? I know there are a few things, cooking, but if you may, share with our viewers, what is it you're working on now and how they can keep following your artwork?
Definitely. So Art Basel is coming. Art Basel is the big season of art in Miami. So I'm participating in African Art Fair. It's going to be amazing. I have 3 pieces in the show. I have a painting and I have 2 sculptures. Yeah. I don't usually do a lot of sculptures, so this is a special beginning for those pieces. I also have, I've been accepted for a residency in May for Haitian Heritage Month.
Oh, wow.
So I'm very excited about this with Collaborative at the Hotel Intercontinental in Miami.
Yeah.
So for a month, every Monday, it's going to be open to the public, and I'll be speaking to the public and meeting the visitors. I'm going to feel just like the gallery, meeting all
There
those
you go.
people. So I'm very excited about that. And of course, from January to March, I do art fairs. So every weekend, I'm in a different city. So we're traveling and exhibiting and sharing artwork with the world.
Pretty busy
Yeah.
woman, but we are so proud of the work that you do, and also
you.
the positive influence that you are sharing to Haitians, not only living in South Florida, but also around the world. Thank you so much, Annick, for being here with us.
Thank you so much. Very honored. Thank you to Miami-Dade. Very, very happy to be here.
That's right. And thank you as well to you for watching. I'm James Pierre.